Today, we have some incredibly exciting news for all of you aspiring entrepreneurs, marketers, and social media enthusiasts out there. Get ready to supercharge your social media marketing skills because we're bringing you a game-changing opportunity that you simply cannot afford to miss. Are you tired of scrolling through your social media feed, wondering how others are making a fortune out of it? Do you dream of running your very own social media marketing agency, working with real-world clients, and raking in big bucks? Introducing the most comprehensive and practical SMMA workshop ever created, brought to you by the experts at AI Coach. We're not here to waste your time with theory and boring lectures. This is a hands-on, action-packed course designed to transform you into a social media marketing pro. In this course, you won't just sit back and watch. You'll dive straight into the real action, working with actual clients in real-world scenarios. Our experts will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you gain the skills and confidence to conquer the world of social media marketing. Imagine having a team of industry experts cheering you on, mentoring you, and pushing you to unleash your full potential. Our exclusive community on Discord will be your support system, where you'll connect with like-minded individuals, collaborate, and celebrate victories together. But wait, there's more. This game-changing SMMA workshop is absolutely free. That's right, we believe in making quality education accessible to everyone. So, whether you're a college student, a freelancer, or someone looking to switch careers, this opportunity is for you. But remember, spots are filling up fast, and this free offer won't last forever. So, click the link in the description below to secure your spot right now. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity to skyrocket your social media marketing career. Thank you for tuning in, awesome viewers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Get ready to take charge of your future with the AI Coach SMMA workshop. See you in the course.